I am John Krajewski, and I am the Director of Product Management for HMI and SCADA products for Schneider Electric, and I've been with the company for 16 years. One of the most significant game changers that I've seen in the industry has been networking, and the bandwidth that networking has offered us to not only gain greater connectivity to plant floor devices and other types of equipment, but also in the ability to distribute that information to a greater number of people in the organization. I noticed the biggest shift towards remote monitoring and remote management of systems with the introduction of remote desktop services from Microsoft, and back then they called them terminal services. We saw a steep adoption as people wanted to centralize things and actually also start pushing them out. That began probably nearly 15 years ago, or in that ballpark of that time, and it's continued to mature and continue to adopt now into web-based technologies and putting things in people's pockets and adding it onto people's phones, and it's just exploded from there. But we've been doing it for quite a long time. The role that the Internet of Things will play in the larger automation industry will be to increase the volume of information. There are going to be more devices. Devices are becoming more inexpensive from the core device costs, inexpensive in terms of integrating them into systems, and they're going to provide more and more information. Where before people may have had to make a business decision on what types of information they would collect, they're now going to bring a lot of information and then try to figure out how to use that. And when you have all that information inside of those systems, you'll be able to make greater business decisions, but you'll have to be able to handle that volume of data, and our strong platform will be an enabler to help them. One of our biggest accomplishments in the industrial automation industry is to introduce a platform that abstracts the devices, the equipment, the addresses, and the types of information that is traditionally represented industrial processes, and abstract them and normalize that data into things that make sense to people, like pumps and motors and devices, and then provide an opportunity for people to take that information and make justifiable business decisions to improve their efficiency of their operations. I predict that industrial automation will change very significantly over the next 10 years, as they've been driven by technologies like HMI, which stands for Human-Machine Interface. And the types of solutions that people are going to be building are going to be not just focused, well, there will be a key aspect which will be Human-Machine Interface, but even here at Wonderware, we've been driving to go beyond HMI, and we've used that tagline because we recognize that it's not just about people connecting to machines, it's about people to systems, systems to systems, people to people, and a myriad of other interactions. And it won't be just focused on starting and stopping equipment, but I'm going to need to make a business decision about why I would stop that equipment to improve my overall effectiveness.